Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm done, what to do? You're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
All right, guys. This is NC Tire Hunter out here at Liberty Oil LP Gas Company. Let's see if they respect their right to record out here in public. Record.
What are y'all doing?
What are you doing? Huh?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're
Pointing what?
doing what?
I can't hear you.
What is this about?
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm
Yeah.
asking you what the hell you're doing.
Well, what are you doing? You won't tell me what you're doing?
Well, we're at a business. You're on the side of the road taking pictures or something.
Absolutely.
For what?
I can't tell you that right now. So go back to work. When you turn it back around on them, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. You didn't like that too much.
Yeah, 74%.
Somebody's peeking out the door. They're peeking. She's in blue. I think it's a woman.
Yeah.
Okay. She's in blue. She's looking over there. There's the one that was peeking out the window, out the door. Gonna go tell the boss man, it looks like. Yeah, guys, they still, you pull up there and they still pump your gas for you. That is awesome. You run over this little thing, this little wire. I think it's got air in it, and it's like pressurized, and it rings a bell inside. Lets them know to come out and pump your gas. That's pretty cool, man. I didn't think they were still doing that anywhere, let alone North Carolina. That's the one that was peeking out the window. I'm great.
What's going on?
Nothing. What's going on with you?
Nothing. I was just wondering why y'all were just videoing over there. It's not like it matters, but we were just wondering.
Start recording.
Okay.
Right on. Not like it matters. Well, if it didn't matter, why is two people already come out? Right? It don't matter, but we're gonna come out here twice. Right? It don't matter. I'm recording. Yep. See that car just hit that little bell, hit that little hose on the ground, and it makes a bell go off. And they used to do it everywhere. Like these gas stations. There wasn't so many of them back then. You know, you'd see a gas station in 50 miles, you know what I mean? So when you pulled up, the little bell goes off. They'd come out, wash your windows. Hell, some of them even change your oil, check your oil. Not change it, but check it. Check all your washer fluids, your radiator fluid and stuff, you know. And then you pay them for gas and give them a little tip, right, for doing it. And that's how a lot of these these gas stations were. These old mom and pop gas stations. Uh-oh, we got the police here. Oh shit, we got the police. Got the popo here. Yep. There's another one. Alright, we got cops, guys. We got a blue shirt, but he would handle it. He would handle it. You're funny.
Why you putting me on camera?
You're funny.
Why you putting me on camera?
Because I can.
Fuck you.
Come do something about it.
I don't think you can.
Come do something about it.
What?
Come on, do something about it.
Sir. We can take care of it.
That's what I thought.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Nothing. Just start recording, man.
Is there a reason? I mean, people are calling and asking about it.
I just enjoying this beautiful day, man. It's our right to come out and record whatever we can see. Right?
Okay.
He wanted to be a tough guy, didn't he? You can get there when I leave.
You can't drive that truck with that plate on.
You can get there when I leave.
Okay.
What's your name?
Deshays. Deshays. Weird French name.
Deshays? Okay, yours?
Lion.
Lion?
Yep.
Y'all got numbers?
No.
No?
Liberty's too small to have numbers.
So did you explain to these nice people that I'm legally allowed to be right here?
Well, the problem was you came over there and they don't want you there, and you just called them and they don't want you calling them, so don't
I
do
didn't
that.
call them. I ain't calling nobody. I'm lying.
Okay. Well, definitely don't do that because that'll be harassing electronic communication.
Well, you get the people that's doing it because it's not me.
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
Yep, I'm gonna be right here. And I can be over there too.
Not here, you can't.
Yes,
It's
I
their
can.
property.
It's public property, boss.
It's their property.
No, it ain't.
Sir,
It's public property.
that is not public property.
Yes, it is. I got a map that says it's public property right here. It's called an easement. Come on, man. You know better than that.
No, sir. That's not how that works.
That's exactly how it
The shoulder
works.
of the road, actually.
That's exactly how it works.
Is the shoulder of the road.
This
So,
is the shoulder of the road.
Would you like me to pull up the CAD? and
Absolutely,
show you?
please.
Okay.
Please do.
Step
How
over
about
there
how
for
about
me.
I'll show you a map that says this ain't their property?
Hold on, right
Sir.
here, this line.
What line?
No, what were you saying was the property line?
Right.
Because you were standing in my property right
No,
here.
I wasn't never over there. Are you crazy? I got it on camera.
I know you do.
Why do you want to
Do you have video of it?
Yeah,
No, and
show
I
me
wish I
video of
did,
that
and
because
I wish I did.
no, you don't because I was never over there.
It's a sorry
I was
thing.
never over there. So you trying to get somebody locked up for lying to people? You can't lie, man. I got it all recorded
Why do you do this?
because I can.
I mean, why?
Because I can.
Oh, okay, I understand.
I want everybody to respect my right to do what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
That's all. That's
Why
it.
do you do it? Don't you think it would cause trouble?
No, I'm educating you that I can stand right here.
You would want me to go to your yard and just.
Is this
video
your yard?
house?
And you can as long
I
as you
wouldn't
on
do
public.
that because I'm
You
a
can
respectful
though. You
person.
can do it as long as you're on public
Hey,
property. I
I'm a
can't
Trump
stop you.
supporter.
I can't stop
support
you.
all my rights and everybody.
Evidently not because I'm doing a constitutionally protected right now.
Why would you do this?
So you're not even listening.
Confrontation?
You're not even listening.
Yeah, I am.
I'm not trying to get a
I
confrontation.
understand you can't. I understand you
It's a
can't.
constitutional right to
Okay.
do what I'm doing right
I
now.
understand.
Evidently
that.
not because you
Okay.
called the police.
Yeah, well, this
No,
is
you
the
don't
North
have a
Country.
right to video anybody without their permission.
I absolutely
No,
do.
you do not.
Ask him.
I don't think it's right that he can
But why? Just 'cause you wanna be an asshole?
I'm not trying to be an asshole. You don't want to be an asshole threatening somebody.
Standing here on camera, you're not being an asshole.
How? I'm
You
just
got a
doing
job,
what I'm
buddy, go
legally
work, go
allowed to
work.
do. I'm working right now.
Yeah, you're fucking full of shit.
I am. Well, do something about me then.
I'd like to, but he's gonna stop me.
Yeah, they'll leave in a
Oh,
little
look
bit.
at this badass. What are you gonna do, you piece of shit?
You can't talk cuz you ain't no healthy one yourself.
Oh, it's my constitutional right to do that. Shit.
Hey, it is. It's called free speech, dummy.
Right here, so I'll definitely take pictures next time.
I was nowhere close over there.
Like a liar. I'm an honest
You are a liar because I wasn't nowhere close to. I never crossed this little line right here.
Oh my God.
You're lying through your teeth. You're lying through your teeth. Keep lying. Next time, get it on video. You have no video because I didn't do it.
He's in a public area and unless he's drunk. Drunk or drunk. That's what the law says. What do you got to say, you little piece of shit?
And you leave him out of it. Leave him out of it before I go to.
That particular weekend, unless
See, these tough guys, they get tough when the cops get here. They all tough when the cops get here. They don't do that when the cops not here.
Are you a Trump supporter?
I'm not. I don't talk
Chicken
about
to say.
politics. I don't talk about politics.
Well, you're a disgrace if you are.
Okay, then.
That's a disgrace to the Trump.
Disgrace because I'm holding the camera in public. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm really hurting everybody.
have you seen your stars? It's like the channel.
Did you find it for me?
According to GIS, you got about 2 feet.
Thank you. So you get all tough when the cops get here?
Well, you know what? I have some good news for you. There's this new product out there just for this sort of thing. It's called butthurt cream.
The less attention you pay to them, the less entertaining it is for their 15 followers. So
50. Think again, big boy.
that's a lot of really bored people.
Some think so.
I
So
guess-
now you trying to entertain the business owner instead of sticking up for my rights too, right? Did you explain to him that I got a right to be right here? No? Ain't that your job?
That's what a lawyer does.
No, you cops do that too.
I get paid by the hour.
Yeah, actually she said there's no big deal. Evidently there's a big deal. She come out here and all cordial and everything and all nice, and then she's gonna lie about the property like I was over there where she was at.
If you engage him, he gets more likes.
Wow.
Oh, dang. Well, you know I don't want to do that for him.
Well, you already lied.
Beautiful face.
You already
I don't
lied.
see the time of
You already
day.
lied on camera, so you're gonna look great.
That's great. We'll see the difference between a good person and
A liar, yeah, right.
you are.
See, I mean, that's what they do though. They lie about where I was standing, right? Just try to get me to leave. I wasn't nowhere close to it. I ain't even left this side right here. Nowhere close to it. But that's what they do. And then you're gonna instigate them. Oh, he's just trying to get likes. That makes you a tyrant. You know that, right?
Okay.
That's exactly what it does. You're trying to instigate them even more by telling, oh, he's just trying to get likes. No, I'm trying to stand up for my constitutional rights is what I'm doing.
Liberty Oil was interfering with those, huh?
Absolutely. I didn't call you guys. I was good just standing right here. So they violated my rights by calling y'all.
No.
And then you lied and said I was on their property before you even researched it.
I said you might be.
That's called
Why
a
didn't you
bad
look
cop.
at it?
That's called a tyrant cop is what that's called. Absolutely. You're supposed to be on my side too. Remember that. You took an oath.
Not on anybody's side.
Didn't you? You took an oath though, right?
Just enforcing the law.
You took an oath, yes?
Just enforcing the law.
So you can't even say you did. So I guess you're gonna stand here as long as I stand here, huh? Well, you had a long day, buddy.
Paid by the hour.
That's
so-
right. Hang on. Let me put my tripod down here. Oh man, that way I ain't gotta hold it. That's why I bought this. I don't have to hold it. Oh, there we go. That's even better. Now I don't have to hold it. What do y'all think, guys? Is this a tyrant standing in front of me? Huh? Trying to side with the business owner? Guess he couldn't handle it. He's gonna go back and sit down in that cool car. All right, I'm gonna go back across the street, sit down on the tailgate. Is that what he said?
He was holding his phone up.
Cool.
On the live.
I just had somebody ride by, said he was watching live. That's pretty cool. I'm here in Liberty, North Carolina. This place is so small, they don't even have a freaking stoplight. See you later, Tyrant. Hey, he's definitely get the BAM, guys. You hear me? He's definitely get the BAM. Because, you know, all he had to do is just stick up for my rights too, right? He didn't do that. He wanted to side with the business owner because they buddies, they may go fishing together or something. But he took an oath. He took an oath to protect my rights, just like he's protecting their rights. He didn't do that. So he's instigating is what that was. That was instigating. And that to me is a tyrant all day long. Bam. There you go, guys. He got the BAM. All he had to do is protect my freaking rights, just like theirs, right? And not try to instigate and make it worse. And what he did was make it worse.
He got BAM, baby.
He did. He got the BAM. Did you see that? He said he got the BAM, baby.
That was the same guy.
Yeah, that's the same one that rode by a while ago. See, that's awesome right there to see that. To see somebody that supports what I do. It's about educating these companies here and the police not to do what they just did, right? He put out a narrative, right? He put out a narrative that he wanted to put out. Well, we all know what the real deal is. This ain't no small time deal right here, baby. This is a big deal. Feel honored. Hey, they should feel honored that I chose their establishment here to audit. You know, they should feel honored. They should come out here and feed me, give me drink, right? I'm just kidding. I don't need all of that. All I need is you guys, man. I don't need all that. Thanks for all the support, guys. Y'all are freaking awesome.
It's the Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm telling you what to do, you're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I love all you guys. Make sure you hit up my store. Get some Tyrant Hunter merchandise. Hit that join button. Y'all have a good one, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.